Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a video where someone is trying to talk to the cat to discuss about the sleep of the cat, how the cat sleep, and he's trying to give some suggestion to the cat, but he did it in a very polite way. So I think that video will help you to learn how to give a suggestion politely in Chinese. Let's directly start watching this video.
我不太懂啊，别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？当然，我并不是说是让你去学别的猫，但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你，你这个睡姿呀，它不对啊。我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，我们没有啊，你怎么舒服怎么来。我不太懂啊，我不太懂啊。
那个我不太懂啊，那个我不太懂啊，那个 can mean that one, but here it's like a filler word in English, like or in Japanese you might say something. So this is a 那个 to start a conversation when you feel a bit embarrassed or you don't know how to start a conversation. Then you can say 那个 and then 我不太懂啊，我不太 I'm not really 懂 understand. So by saying 那个我不太懂啊 means I'm actually not knowing something very well.
别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？
别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？别人 other people 家 is house. 别人家 means other people's something. 别人家的猫 other people's cat. 是 is 怎么 how 睡觉的 sleep. 别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的 other people's cat sleep like what? So this sentence is connecting with the previous one. 我不太懂别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的 I don't really know other people's cat sleep like what?
当然我并不是说当然我并不是说当然我并不是说
当然我并不是说当然我并不是说当然 of course 我 I 并不是 not 说 say so 当然我并不是说Of course, I'm not saying that.
让你去学别的猫，让你去学别的猫，让你去学别的猫。
让你去学别的猫，让你去学别的猫。让 to let 你 you 去 go or to 学 study 别的 other 猫 cat 让你去学别的猫。To let you to learn from other cat.
但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。
但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。但是呢。But 我 I 可以 can 明确的 clearly surely 告诉 to tell 你 you 但是呢我可以明确的告诉你 But I can tell you clearly that
你这个睡姿呀它不对你这个睡姿呀它不对你这个睡姿呀它不对
你这个睡姿呀它不对你这个睡姿呀它不对你 you 这个 this 睡 sleep 姿 means gesture, position, 睡姿 sleeping position. Yeah, is a particle. 它不对，它 means it refers to the 睡姿，不对 wrong or incorrect.
啊，我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，
我不是说要纠正你什么啊，我不是说要纠正你什么啊，我 I 不是 not 要 want 纠正 correct 你 you 什么 what 我不是说要纠正你什么 I'm not saying I want to correct you something
我们没有我们没有我们没有
我们没有啊我们没有啊我们 we but he actually refers to the speaker himself 没有 means didn't we didn't trying to do that trying to persuade you to correct something
你怎么舒服怎么来你怎么舒服怎么来你怎么舒服怎么来
你怎么舒服怎么来你怎么舒服怎么来你 means you 怎么 means how 舒服 means comfortable 怎么 how 来 refers to do something 你怎么舒服怎么来 you can do whatever you think is comfortable you can just do as you feel comfortable this is actually a joke with the cat of course cat don't understand but he is trying very politely to suggest the cat to change another sleeping position now let's review what we just learned they are totally 9 sentences First one, 那个我不太懂啊，那个我不太懂啊。I don't really know that. 别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊 ？How other people's cat sleep? 当然我并不是说，当然我并不是说。Of course, I'm not saying that. 是让你去学别的猫，是让你去学别的猫。Letting you to learn from other cats. 但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你。But I can tell you clearly that. 你这个睡姿呀，它不对。 你这个睡姿呀，它不对。Your sleeping position is incorrect. 我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，我不是说要纠正你什么的啊。I'm not saying I want to correct you something. 我们没有啊，我们没有啊。I'm not doing that. 你怎么舒服怎么来，你怎么舒服怎么来。You can do whatever you think is comfortable. Now let's watch the original video again from the beginning to the end without any translation and trying to see if you already understood all of it or not.
我不太懂啊，别人家的猫是怎么睡觉的啊？当然，我并不是说是让你去学别的猫，但是呢，我可以明确的告诉你，你这个睡姿呀，它不对啊。我不是说要纠正你什么的啊，我们没有啊，你怎么舒服怎么来。
That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please remember to click on the subscribe button. I will continue to make more videos like this one to help you to learn Chinese from daily Chinese life. See you next time.